All right, folks, let's dive into a topic that's shaking up ecosystems worldwide. Invasive species. These uninvited guests are causing more trouble than you might think. Imagine a guest showing up uninvited to your party and then never leaving. They eat your food, take up your space, and disrupt the harmony of your home. That's what invasive species are to our ecosystems. They arrive, settle in, and start to take over, often with devastating consequences. So how do these unwanted guests sneak in? It's not like they book a flight and check into a hotel. It could be through international shipping, travel, or even as stowaways in imported goods. For instance, the zebra mussel, native to Eastern Europe, hitched a ride in the ballast water of ships and has since spread across North America. These tiny mussels clog water pipes, damage boats, and outcompete local species. Now you might be asking, why do invasive species matter? Why should we be concerned about a few new plants or animals? Well, they multiply fast, outcompeting native species for resources. They can alter habitats, reduce biodiversity, and even change the way ecosystems function. With no natural predators in their new homes, they can wreak havoc. They grow unchecked and can dominate the landscape. Take the brown tree snake in Guam, which has decimated local bird populations, leading to silent forests and a disrupted ecosystem. Or the Kudzu vine in the United States, smothering native plants. The economic impact, staggering. These invaders can cause billions in damage. Governments and companies spend billions every year on control measures and damage repair. It's a constant battle to keep these invaders in check. For example, the European Union spends around 12 billion euros annually to manage invasive species. That's a significant chunk of change dedicated to fighting this hidden threat. That's a lot of cash. And it's not just Europe. Countries around the world are feeling the financial strain. So what are we doing about it? How are we fighting back against these invaders? Many countries have set up stringent regulations. These include tighter border controls and inspections to catch invasive species before they can spread. International agreements like the Convention on Biological Diversity help coordinate efforts to prevent the spread of invasive species. Countries are working together to tackle this global issue. Tools include stricter import controls and better monitoring systems. Technology is playing a big role in tracking and managing invasive species, but it's not just about governments. We all have a part to play in this fight. You and I can make a difference too. Simple actions like cleaning hiking gear or not releasing pets into the wild can help protect our ecosystems. Every little bit helps. Simple actions like cleaning hiking gear or not releasing pets into the wild can help protect our ecosystems. It's about being mindful and responsible. In the grand scheme of things, managing invasive species is a global game of whack-a-mole, where new threats pop up as soon as old ones are dealt with. But with the right strategies, we can make a huge difference. Success stories from around the world show that coordinated efforts can lead to significant progress. So next time you hear about an invasive species, remember, but it's not just an environmental issue, it's an economic one too. The costs are high, but the stakes are even higher. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's work together to protect our precious ecosystems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into pressing environmental issues. See you next time.